Welcome back to ClearTask. In this video, I will show you the quickest and safest method to download Dodo Webview for your device. First, open Google Chrome or your preferred web browser. Head over to the search bar and type in Dodo Webview APK. To keep your device safe from malware, always make sure you click on a trusted, reputable APK repository from the search results rather than unverified third-party links. Once you are on the secure site, scroll down and look for the Download APK button. Tap it to begin. You might need to tap a second download confirmation button depending on the website's layout. When the file finishes downloading, open it and hit install. Please keep in mind that there is no paywall or subscription involved with this component. Dodo Webview is totally free to use. If any website tries to charge you for a starter pack or premium access, close the page immediately. After the installation is complete, you will not need to open the app directly. It simply runs securely in the background and is essential for properly displaying web content inside your other applications. That is all there is to it. If this guide helped you, please leave a like and subscribe to ClearTask for more quick and easy tutorials. Thanks for watching.